Hi guys, I'm Deb.
And I'm Jay.
And today we are at the Safety Harbor Art and Music Center
In Safety Harbor, Florida. Okay. Lots of cool, eclectic.
Yeah, this place is like crazy.
Crazy is a good word for it. Crazy cool.
See this dolphin? Flamingos? Hey, slow, no touch, okay?
Yeah. Features that.
I don't know, man. There's going to be so much stuff to see and show. It's going to be crazy. Putt, putt.
What's up?
All right, we're going to go in the back of the building here. Oh, there's a bar. Bar's not open. It's only 10 a.m.
Oh, look at the colorful zebra.
Look at the imitation salamander on the top of the zebra's butt.
Oh.
Looks like he's lost a tail recently.
That's what I want.
Oh yeah, we should get one of those. I love those for our yard. They're a little pricey.
I think depending on what he puts on.
Right.
But we're going to the artist house that makes these.
Everywhere you look, there's something to see.
Yes, there's just
Like
so
walls.
much art.
Yeah, walls. There's some cool mosaics here.
Oh, look at the ceiling. Out of bunt cans.
Butt cake pans.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. A ton of them too. Look at them all. That is funny. So
No, I like that. I find that very soothing. I don't know. I love that.
the gold color, you know, the
Copper.
copper color.
Bronze.
Yeah, makes it really cool looking.
Maybe we could do that on our front porch.
Take a lot of butt pans.
So this is their art studio where they hold classes and.
Oh yeah. We got a stage up here. I shall call him Mini-Me. I shall call him Mini-Me. In his little astronaut outfit as well. That's hilarious.
Look at you could even make art out of cardboard. So.
Cardboard camp.
Hi y'all.
Hi there. Looks like you can buy local artists in here. Ooh, these are cool. Look at these.
Oh wow.
That's really pretty. Some of those are really neat, intricate. Huh. The artist Sandra Blythe, painter. So this is all painted, mixed media.
You like that for you got it, Mike. Just on a piece of that's off of a cut tree.
Uh huh. Wow. Look at that. I can't imagine how long that would take. Look at this one. This is probably my favorite.
Oh wow.
That's really intricate. A lot of really cool things here. Look at these origamis. Origami landscapes.
Look at the ghost.
She's fine with that.
Little spook house.
That's cool. Crazy. Look, there's dolphins. Ooh, wow, look at that one. Some of these are really, look at this
Claude
one's really
Monet.
pretty. Cindy Eagle. Cindy
Angle.
Angle, I can't remember. Yeah. That's inspired by a Monet. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Impression Sunrise by Claude Monet.
Yeah, so basically that's the original painting there, the little tiny one,
Oh.
and she made it out of origami basically to recreate it.
Oh.
Isn't that cool?
Huh. Stained glass. I love stained glass.
Is it one she just Patty? Yeah.
Okay, over the summer, But
Some of this stuff is so freaking quirky and cute. Like, look at this dog with the bird on top of it.
Oh, yeah.
That is so cool.
made out of
I think he'll be
like
happy.
cut fabric.
Mm-hmm.
It's all actually it's all fabric.
Have a bird.
Some yarn and some
Oh, those are cool.
Okay, so we are SHAMc. It's the Safety Harbor Art and Music Center.
Okay.
We have like 50 concerts a year here in the big room. Did you guys go in there already?
The stage over there? Yeah.
And then we also have like open mic nights and comedy nights, and you know, we have classes next door. There's a studio that is really cool actually, because it used to be a little house on the ground and we lifted it up like I had anything to do with it. Lifted it up and built concrete walls under it and made the studio underneath. And now the upstairs is an Airbnb that's really cool.
So you lifted up the whole house and
Yeah.
built a basement under it, basically.
Yes, isn't
Wow,
that cool?
that's
It's got
crazy.
2 garage doors so we can open the garage doors. And recently we were gifted with air conditioning over there.
Oh,
So
that's a
so
godsend,
it's really
right? Yeah.
wonderful. But yeah, so in this is the ARTery here.
Okay.
And we have, I think it's like 70 different local artists who who supply us with product for the store, from jewelry to clothes. We have a whole bunch of really cool clothes in there. You can see like right there, there's a artist named Maggie May who lives in Mount Dora, and she like makes clothes out of old clothes.
That's really
So
cool.
yeah, and then we have a really great, tie-dye artist. We have people who do screen printing and painting on clothes, and then we have potters, and we also teach. I don't know if you noticed it outside of the building, but we teach mosaic classes.
There's a lot of really cool mosaic stuff outside. Yeah,
I
the
know.
mirrored stuff and everything.
yeah, the
my
whole
God,
building.
It's gorgeous. Yeah.
All 4 sides of that building there.
Oh wow.
It used to just be this house, and we built that once again, like I had anything to do with it. But we had volunteers for like several years come once a week and build those mosaics, and then they attached them to the frame
That's
after it was
awesome.
done. So yeah, so in the classroom next door we have mosaic classes, pottery classes, we do resin classes, we do paper mache, tie-dye classes.
Wow.
Lots of fun. And you can find out all this stuff at shamc.org.
Okay.
I just love her stuff. It's just, look at that. Ugh,
I love the glitter on that.
yeah. But she does this stuff, and she is 85, I think. Yeah. And then we have a young woman. 95% of what you see is local artists. And we do sell a few things, like we have these are tooth fairies, and they come from like fair trade. See, you put the tooth in there.
Oh, okay. There you go.
We have tooth monsters as well.
Okay, just in case. Yeah.
And this is my art.
Oh, that's cool.
I make a lot of words on things, and some of them are a little racy.
Always fun. I love that. I love these.
I do mirrors too. There's some mirrors in the bathroom that you can see that are pretty funny. But I'm a potter. I do hand-built pottery too.
That is.
And be sure and look up. Yes,
We saw that. She was entranced by those.
Porch like that?
Yeah. And then, did you see in here?
Nuh-uh.
Oh my goodness. Here, I'll hold the door and you can.
Okay.
That's one of the bathrooms.
That is amazing.
Isn't it?
Look at all the man. I
Oh
could
my goodness,
I could
look at
spend all day.
ceiling.
I know, all day in
Yeah.
here just looking at stuff.
I know. I worked here for years, and still I see things.
I
go,
bet.
"Where'd that come
I
from?"
bet.
So this is my favorite bathroom, and if you come here, I'll read you my favorite mirror. This is one that I did when I was like brokenhearted.
Oh.
Michael Bolton has this song where he sings, "How am I supposed to live without you?" What is he, some kind of moron? Why is he so hung up on someone who would just leave anyway? Screw her. She doesn't deserve you, Michael, especially when it's right in your hand. Now stop whining, write a happier song, and go out and get a freaking cocktail.
I love the jellyfish.
I know.
Are those lamps, or they just kind of just art? Does it actually light up?
Yeah, I think that one lights up.
That's really cool. Both of them. I got 3 of them in here.
We
Those are
also
awesome.
have them outside, chandeliers that we've decorated, and they're hanging in a tree out front.
They're cool.
Recently, we had a musician who played here, and while he was here, his wife painted that mural.
Oh, that's funny.
I know. Everywhere you look, it's something.
Everywhere you look.
And once a year, we have a big anniversary party, and we do. We start here, and we do a big parade all around town, and everybody decorates umbrellas, and that's where these.
That's really cool. Oh, that's where the umbrellas came from. Okay.
Yeah. It's fun.
Man.
Anyway.
I wish we kind of lived around here, because I'd love to go to some of the, especially like the comedy nights, and
Yeah.
do some of the classes.
So we reopened September 15th, I think, and we've already got some really great bands booked for next season.
So you said September 15th is when you
Yeah.
reopen again? Okay.
We close at the end of June.
Okay, we'll mention that too.
And we've
end of
done
June.
that like every year since we've been open because, like I said, we don't have AC. And so we're trying to find like a really, really rich person who built a dome over our facility.
With air conditioning, right? Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you'll actually close even the store up in June?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Might have to make this a two-parter.
I was gonna say, this is a
Like,
lot.
look at all that.
I know, there's just too much to show. Look at the little golf carts, pretty cool. The whole building's covered in mirrored
That's probably
mosaics.
for the parade. They
Yeah,
probably
I'm
lead
guessing
with
so.
that. So that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we hope you don't get overstimulated watching this video.
Oh,
like
hopefully
we
you get
did.
stimulated but not overstimulated. Yeah, exactly.
So stay curious.
And keep exploring.
Bye.